So the folks at Morningstar are asking why are investors lending MicroStrategy billions of dollars so that they can buy Bitcoin. Okay. Yesterday, or rather Friday, the 24th of January 2025, just last, today is Sunday, the 26th, so on Friday, the 24th, the stock continued to slide. It began to slide from Friday the 17th, so it hasn't since that it has been dropping. So amongst the reason why it is dropping, it's not only because it's trading at very high valuations, very high prices. It's also because lending investors at 0%. Selling convertible senior notes. And it just announced on that Friday as well, this Friday, the 25th, 24th, that it's going to redeem, the ones that are due by 2027 on February the 24th. That it's giving a 1 month notice that the ones that are due by 2027 are going to be redeemed on February the 24th. So, and the conversion rate is such that the rate is such that every 7.0234 shares of the company's Class A common stock will get $1,000 in principal amount. In other words, the conversion price is $142.3 per share. That's what they're going to redeem those bonds at. That's the rate they will redeem them at. So for every 7 shares roughly you get $1,000. And look at this, it says here hedge funds like MicroStrategy debt because it allows them to execute complex trading strategies such as buying the company's convertible bonds, the same one that the folks at Morningstar are talking about, the senior notes, the senior convertible notes or bonds, while also betting against its stock. So when they buy them, they also short the stock. That tactic is it's you know it's benefits from the volatility. So when that volatility that has been there with the stock, it benefits from that. MicroStrategy's volatility lends itself well to the hedging strategy known as convertible arbitrage. In such trades, investors buy the bonds. They have been doing that. As a matter of fact, Alliance of Germany, that's its capital asset management firm unit, has been buying MicroStrategy's bonds for a very long time. Vivek, the one in Trump's administration, just bought some last month, bought some billions of dollars worth of MicroStrategy's debt. So yeah, like as I was saying, they buy the bonds and then they short the stock. So in such trades, they buy the bonds and sell the shares as short, betting that the underlying stock remains volatile. So the more the stock sways, the more profitable their strategy becomes. That is because a convertible bond is a hybrid security. It's composed of a bond and a call option that confers the right to convert the bond into a stock at a specific price. So you can now see that the ones that are sold the stock at the ones that are shorting the stock at these high levels, 353, it closed at $353. What was it? It closed, yeah, $353. They're selling the stock at they short the stocks at 353. They're going to buy them. What did I tell you? 142.38 dollars. That is what's going to happen. So you can see they are. It's. You have to know these things. You have to know these things if you are involved in a MicroStrategy stock. So you probably know because you've been looking up the various forums, the various topics on MicroStrategy on social media and all that. So you definitely must have known this. But if you think that was not true, it is the truth. So that's what's going on. You need to know all of these things and know how you're playing the stock, knowing how to play the stock. and at some point it's going to benefit you. At some point it wouldn't benefit you. So the stock is has cooled off from the highs of 481 it printed as of Tuesday, the 19th of November. It's trading at a discount to that sort of level now. Something close to I would say a roughly $80 $80 discount, an $80 discount to those sort of levels. So yeah, if you want to know why it's the stock is not showing a lot of strength, it's because of this, amongst other things. So at some point it may continue, volatility may also resume, and it may continue to even print higher prices. It's something that can happen. It had upper projections of 873.77 dollars at some point. This was all the way back in December. That was when it had this sort of projections. Maybe when the news came out that Vivek was buying more, bought more of its senior convertible notes. Yeah. So that's what's going on, and just be aware of that. And thank you very much for watching this video.